What happened, baby?
I found the chicken. Yeah, the dog bite in there and had all the feathers in his nose, probably.
Wow. Can I see it a little more? Oh, wow. That's crazy. So, a chicken on the farm is, as you can see, is no longer with us. Very, very sad, I know, and tears almost came to my eyes like the days we've spent feeding and bonding. And this was the moment we realized that we've been spending a lot of time at the farm and that we truly do need a break. Plus, we wanted to experience this area as much as we can because I have another sad news. We're leaving this farm soon. But don't be too down, don't be too sad. We're moving on to another farm where we're gonna do some pretty cool things. So stay tuned on the
Yeah.
channel so you
And
can
people are
see
betting on this.
everything we're up to
Oh.
in the next farm.
And the bag from Alpaca, their travel bag. We're bringing it with us today. And I also have the 4-liter satchel, which I'm really loving. Wow. Wow, look at the hole. Wow. So beautiful.
Oh,
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
wow.
talk about this trail. So, this trail is called the Gaius Trail and it's about 17 kilometers long. It starts in this historic center of Tabua and it ends in a village called Villanova de Oliverina. And it's not that physical demanding, in my opinion. It's quite relaxing, but of course, some parts are a little bit high, so we needed to be careful.
Watch out.
Along the way, it's really cool because we're walking through green leafy forest covered with mossy stones, and it really feels like you're in a fairy tale.
wow. So small maybe. finished.
Say hi to YouTube, Viking. Say hi. So this is where we're